Hello, my darlings, and welcome to a series that I call Bed, Bath, and Broomsticks, where we craft magical recipes for your bath and home. In this video, I share a recipe for a winter warming, deep muscle soak. This bath salt combines the healing minerals of Dead Sea salt and the herbs of the season to make you feel like you're forest bathing at Yuletide. Let's do some magical crafting. The first ingredient in this bath salt are cedar tips. Cedar is associated with protection, purification, and grounding. It can be used to banish negative energy and create a sense of calm and stability. I'm also adding pine needles. These are fresh rather than dried. Pine brings cleansing and healing energy. It's often used in spells for protection, wisdom, and renewal, making it perfect for clearing out stagnant energies. I'm putting both of these evergreens into a spice grinder and blending and grinding them to bring out their amazing aromas. You can also do this step with a mortar and pestle if you don't have a grinder. The next ingredient is juniper berry. Juniper is known for its protective and purifying properties. It's often used to ward off negativity, cleanse spaces, and promote clarity of mind and spirit. I'm also adding a few cloves. Clove is connected with protection, prosperity, and healing. It helps to ward off negativity and can also be used in spells for luck and attracting good fortune. Next is cinnamon. This spice can act as an irritant if you add too much, so be very sparing with this. Cinnamon is warming and stimulating, associated with success, love, and prosperity. It boosts energy and courage while also adding protection and healing elements. Before we continue with the recipe, a quick word from this video sponsor. This video is brought to you by my patrons. The Magical Crafting Patreon is a space where you can support my work and this channel. There are so many reasons to join. Patreon is where I share the monthly community sigil artwork and post notifications for all of my video content so you never miss an upload. Each month I post reminders and links for my art livestream, my crafting livestream, and my monthly Plan With Me livestream, so you never miss a chance to hang out and craft with me. You can participate in polls and give feedback about what you'd like to see on the channel, and there are lots of rewards every month. Each month I create and share a printable monthly mood board and digital wallpapers for your phone and tablet. I post a set of 4 printable planner sticker pages with a new monthly color scheme and theme. And I share a printable Book of Shadows page for my patrons. And all of my patrons have access to the large library of my earlier pages as well. In the higher tiers, you can become a pen pal or sigil spellbag patron. And a new reward tier is in the works and coming soon. There are so many reasons to join my Patreon community. I hope you'll visit at the link below the video. All 3 of these spices go into the spice grinder and get blended together. And then I add them to the evergreen mixture. I've created a Book of Shadows page for this bath salt recipe. It explains the magical correspondences of each of the ingredients in the bottle. If you'd like to download a printable PDF of this grimoire page, you can visit Magical Crafting on Patreon at the link below the video. The next ingredient is orange peel. Orange peel is uplifting and brings joy, positivity, and good luck. It's often used in spells for happiness, love, and clarity, helping to cleanse and rejuvenate. I'm also adding a whole vanilla bean. I'm just using scissors to cut it into tiny pieces. Vanilla promotes love, warmth, and comfort. Its soothing energy helps to attract positive vibrations, and it's often used in spells for love and tranquility. With all of the spices and the herbs in the bowl, I'm adding Dead Sea salt. Any salt can be used in this bath salt recipe. Salt, especially from the Dead Sea, is known for its purification, protection, and healing properties. It's commonly used in cleansing rituals to remove negativity and enhance healing energy. Obtained from the mineral-rich floor of the Dead Sea, this salt has a high concentration of mineral salts, especially magnesium and bromide, and it's beneficial for the skin and connective tissues. I'm adding some frankincense essential oil to add an earthy and sweet scent. Frankincense is a powerful purifier, often used in protection and spiritual rituals. It helps to elevate energy, increase spiritual awareness, and cleanse spaces of negative influences. Use this bath salt to bring the magic of the Yuletide season to your bath. You could use it during a ritual bath on the winter solstice or any time you want a winter warming muscle soak.